A new report from Leger and the United Way is shedding the light on the impact of financial stress right now on Canadians.
And CTV's Scott Hurst joins us live from the studio with more on this. Scott, good morning. What do the numbers tell us about the level of financial strain Canadians are really all kind of feeling right now?
Yeah, good morning, Jen and Nick. Of course, we all worry about money, but financial stress is really having a significant impact beyond our wallet, growing impact on our overall well-being, not just our mental health, but our physical health as well. That's according to a new survey for the United Way done by Leger. This is from the Financial Anxiety Survey. And here are some of the highlights we were able to pull from the report, starting with 55%, more than half of Canadian residents surveyed, are at the very least anxious about their personal finances. Things like paying rent, paying mortgage, supporting your family, affording groceries amid inflation challenges over the past few years, all adding to more stress, much more of a burden. Also, 41%, just under half of those surveyed, about 4 in 10, report actual physical stress symptoms when talking about money. When thinking about their current financial situation, the survey points to people feeling heart palpitations, difficulty breathing and sleeping, general stress about making ends meet when thinking about or talking about their financial situation. And that leads to the most severe question: what happens if you couldn't make ends meet all of a sudden? 42% say they would only be able to cover their basic expenses for less than 1 month if they lost their job, if they lost their primary source of income, meaning so many of us are so dependent on each and every paycheck that if that money stopped or dried up, there's really no personal safety net. And one more stark reality coming from the report from the United Way. Data from 211, United Way's national helpline, shows the need for temporary financial assistance this year has grown by more than 50% from 2024 and more than 60% from 2 years before, 2023.
All right, Scott Hurst reporting live for us this morning. Scott, appreciate the update there, and the really significant financial strains indeed.
Thanks, Scott.
Thanks, guys.